Benefits of beetroot. Beetroot beta vulgaris is a root vegetable also known as red beet, table beet, garden beet, or just beet. The carbs in beetroots are mainly simple sugars such as glucose and fructose. Beets are high in fiber but also have FODMAPs, which can cause digestive problems in some people. Beets are high in fiber and promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. Having plenty of healthy bacteria in your digestive system helps fight disease and boost your immune system. Fiber also improves digestion and reduces the risk of constipation. Beetroots can lower blood pressure, which may lead to reduced risk of heart disease and other ailments. This root veggie can also improve oxygen use, stamina, and exercise performance. Beets are rich in folate vitamin B9, which helps cells grow and function. Folate plays a key role in controlling damage to blood vessels, which can lower your chances of heart disease and stroke. Drinking beetroot juice could improve inflammation and blood flow, which are both important for skin health. Regularly drinking beet juice or adding them to your diet has been found to increase the amount of certain detoxifying liver enzymes. These help to protect the organ and allow it to work more efficiently.